How to change notification sound on Messenger. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change notification sound on Messenger. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Messenger app. Then we should tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now we need to scroll down and tap on option notification and sounds. Here we should find option messages and tap on it. Now we see 7 different sounds for notifications, and you can tap on them and listen them and then choose one. And that's all. It was how to change notification sound on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.